And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hello everybody, my name is Kenny Bartlett with Brett's RV and Marine here in Liberty Lake. And I'm here to showcase this absolutely gorgeous Smokercraft 188 Adventurer. What a perfect boat for everywhere around our region. The big lakes, the little lakes, this boat covers all of that. Starting here in the front, we have a Minn Kota trolling motor, a nice comfortable seat, and a very large casting deck that makes it safer in the big water if you're hit by a rogue wave or whatever. To the trolling motor, we have foot control. There's also remote control. So if you happen to be in the back of the boat, you can control the steerage in the front from that remote control. In addition to the large casting deck up front, you have dry storage, both port and starboard side, as well as one live well. Then also there's this very large rod holder that holds 12 rods. The 4 on the top will hold 6.5 footers. The 4 in the middle will hold 7 footers. The 4 on the bottom will hold 7.5 foot rods. Behind the wheel now, you'll notice that we have tilt steering, a Helix 9 Hummingbird with mapping, sonar, GPS. The great thing about this is you can plot a waypoint. Wherever you caught your last big fish, it will take you right back to that spot. Mid-boat now, this boat has a full canopy top to include the bimini, zipped in windshield that will attach at the snaps. The side curtains will zip into the bimini and snap on the side of the boat. So the entire cockpit can be enclosed when you're fishing in the wintertime. And we all know that in Idaho and eastern Washington, western Montana, there's great fishing in the wintertime. So this boat gets that covered. Now we're aft. There is a second live well here. So that gives us a live well for the front and for the back. We also have jump seats on both sides. So not only are the fishermen comfortable, but the family is comfortable as well. Not only does the family get to be comfortable, but these also fold down and creates a great casting platform for your mate. When the captain is in the front, the mate is back here, able to cast and catch good fish. One final thing, you gotta have power on the water. This Mercury 175 horsepower 4-stroke motor will get you around. My name is Kenny Bartlett with Brett's RV and Marine, and we're more than just boats. We do RVs, travel trailers, campers. Come and see me, and I will give you a personal tour of this boat or any RV that you would like to look at.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.